for the best bench-top multimeter for your electronics lab or workshop. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best bench-top multimeters that offer exceptional accuracy, fast measurements, and advanced testing features for professionals, engineers, and hobbyists alike. Whether you're troubleshooting circuits, testing components, or upgrading your workbench, we've selected the best models for every budget. Stay tuned until the end to discover which bench-top multimeter is the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. True RMS USB Bench Multimeter. The OWON XDM 1041/XDM 1241 4.5-digit digital multimeter is a professional-grade bench and portable multimeter designed for engineers, technicians, electronics enthusiasts, and repair professionals. With true RMS measurement, a bright LCD display, USB connectivity, and high-precision AC/DC testing, this multimeter delivers reliable performance for both laboratory and field applications. In this video, we'll unbox, review, and test the OWON XDM 1041/XDM 1241 to evaluate its accuracy, display quality, measurement functions, and overall performance. If you're searching for a dependable bench multimeter, this review will help you determine whether it's the right choice for your workspace. White medium star key features. 4.5-digit high-resolution LCD display. True RMS AC/DC voltage and current measurement. Bench and portable dual-use design. USB interface for PC data logging. Resistance, capacitance, and frequency measurement. A diode and continuity testing. Auto/manual range selection. Number 4. OWON XDM 1041/XDM 1241 review. Discover the OWON XDM 1041/XDM 1241 4.5-digit digital multimeter, a professional true RMS bench and portable multimeter built for engineers, technicians, students, and electronics enthusiasts. With high-precision DC/AC voltage and current measurement, USB connectivity, SCPI remote control support, and a large LCD display, this multimeter is ideal for laboratory testing, circuit analysis, and electronic troubleshooting. In this video, we'll review its design, measurement accuracy, display quality, SCPI functionality, USB communication, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right digital multimeter for your workbench. White medium star key features. 4.5-digit high-resolution LCD display. True RMS AC/DC voltage and current measurement. Bench and portable dual-use design. A USB interface for PC connectivity and data logging. SCPI remote command support. Resistance, capacitance, and frequency measurement. A diode and continuity testing. Auto/manual range selection. Data hold and relative measurement mode. Number 3. True RMS Auto Range USB Multimeter. Looking for a high-precision bench multimeter? In this video, we review the ROHSUA 8246A digital bench multimeter, featuring 55,000 counts, true RMS measurement, auto range, USB connectivity, and advanced testing functions for professional and DIY electronics applications. We'll explore its design, display quality, measurement accuracy, testing capabilities, and overall performance to help you decide if the ROHSUA 8246A is the right multimeter for your electronics lab or workshop. White medium star key features. 55,000 counts high-resolution display. True RMS AC/DC voltage and current measurement. Auto range digital bench multimeter. A USB interface for PC connectivity and data logging. Resistance, capacitance, and frequency measurement. A diode and continuity testing. Fast and accurate measurements. Large LCD display with easy-to-read interface. Stable performance for professional testing. Number 2. OWON XDM 1041/XDM 1241 55,000 counts bench digital multimeter review. Looking for a compact yet powerful bench digital multimeter? In this video, we review the OWON XDM 1041/XDM 1241 bench digital multimeter, featuring a 55,000 count high-resolution display, true RMS measurement, a 3.5-inch LCD, USB connectivity, temperature measurement, and professional-grade accuracy for electronics testing and troubleshooting. We'll cover its design, display quality, measurement performance, key functions, USB data logging, and overall value to help you decide if this is the right bench multimeter for your electronics lab or workshop. White medium star key features. 55,000 counts high-resolution display. 3.5-inch color LCD screen. True RMS AC DC voltage and current measurement. High accuracy, up to 0.05% DC voltage accuracy. USB interface for PC connectivity and data logging. Temperature measurement support. Resistance, capacitance, and frequency measurement. Diode and continuity testing. Dual-line display and trend analysis. Number 1. OWON XDM 1041/XDM 1241 4.5-digit bench digital multimeter review. The OWON XDM 1041/XDM 1241 bench digital multimeter is a professional 4.5-digit true RMS desktop multimeter designed for engineers, technicians, students, and electronics enthusiasts. Featuring a bright 3.5-inch LCD display, high-precision AC, DC measurements, temperature testing, and advanced measurement functions, it's an excellent choice for electronics laboratories, repair shops, and industrial testing. In this video, we'll review the OWON XDM 1041/XDM 1241, covering its build quality, display, accuracy, measurement performance, and key features to help you decide if this bench multimeter is the right tool for your workspace. White medium star key features. 4.5-digit high-resolution digital display. 3.5-inch large LCD screen. True RMS AC DC voltage and current measurement. Temperature measurement function. Air resistance, capacitance, and frequency testing. Diode and continuity test. Auto/manual range selection.